Welcome to Barcelona's hidden gem, Parque de la Ciutadella. If you're planning a trip to this enchanting city, stick around because we're about to uncover the secrets and wonders of this breathtaking park. By the end of this video, you'll know why this park is a must-visit and how to make the most of your time here. Did you know that this park was once a military fortress? Imagine walking through such history while enjoying the beauty of nature. Curious? Let's dive in. I bet you're wondering, what makes Parque de la Ciutadella so special? What can you do here to make your visit unforgettable? And are there any hidden spots that tourists often miss? Don't worry, I have all the answers coming right up. I've spent a great number of hours exploring every nook and cranny of Parque de la Ciutadella to bring you the ultimate guide. So trust me when I say you're in for a treat. First up, let's talk about the architectural marvels that you simply can't miss. I remember the first time I laid eyes on the majestic Cascada Monumental. It felt like I had stumbled into a fairy tale. Designed by Josep Fontserè with some assistance from a young Antoni Gaudi, this fountain is a masterpiece of the park. Don't miss the chance to climb up and enjoy the panoramic views of the park from the top. Speaking of views, let's sail into our next adventure. Ever dreamt of rowing across a serene lake? Well, you can do just that right here. Renting one of these boats and taking it out across the lake can be an incredibly peaceful escape from Barcelona's busy hustle and bustle. It's like you're stepping into your own travel postcard or movie. You can rent a rowboat for a small fee and glide across the tranquil waters of the park's lake. It's perfect for a romantic date or a fun family outing. But that's not all. Let's now explore some green treasures. Did you know that this park is home to some of the most exotic plants and trees in Barcelona? On one of my walks, I stumbled upon a grove of palms that made me feel like I had been transported into a tropical paradise. The park houses a wide variety of flora, including rare species in the umbilical greenhouse and a stunning collection of palms. It's a botanist's dream come true. Ready for something truly unique? Let's head to our next highlight. What's that? A mammoth in the park? I remember the surprise on children's faces when they would first encounter this life-size mammoth statue in the park. It's definitely a fun photo op. This fascinating statue is one of the park's most beloved attractions. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Barcelona's Parque de la Ciutadella. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel secrets and guides. See you on our next trip.